Tonight we're going to change the bag and clean out the Shop Vac. I noticed it's been getting very heavy, so it must be full. I changed the filter last time I changed the bag, so the filter should be good. So I didn't get a new filter. I had a couple bags floating around. I gotta order more. This is the second to last one. This is the apparently there's no identifier. I guess it's the 51100-05 bag. The filter has like a letter on it. It's just a simple identifier. It'd be nice if this had that as well, but apparently it doesn't. So I got that. If the filter is dusty, I'll just blast it off with the compressed air. I don't think that it should be though, because it's only been in there for one bag. Usually it's good for several bag changes, because those are like filter bags, so most of it's caught in the bag. Oh gosh, what the heck? The bag like didn't work. Or, oh wow, it's completely full. Oh man, it's full to the top. Jeez, oh no wonder it failed. I can't blame it one bit. It's not supposed to be filled that much. All right, well, user error. We're gonna have to do a lot of cleaning here. It's kind of raining, so this is not ideal, but oh well. Jeez, I wish I realized it was that full. That explains it all. Good grief. I've never seen it get that full before. So we need this. That stays. Oh man. Wow. Wow. That's all I can say about that. That is absolutely full. Yeah, it's solid up to there. That must weigh a good 10 pounds. Well, that's impressive. And I guess I don't know where it was leaking from. It doesn't really matter. That was total user error. It should have been emptied well before that. Some wheels need some oil. Okay, well that's interesting. Not what I was expecting at all. I knew it was getting full, but that was ridiculous. Alright, so let's oh man, what a mess. I'm surprised it was working as good as it was, being that full. Usually it stops working. You know, vacuums don't work that good when they're really full. Well, I'm going to need a new filter. That's filthy through and through. I'll blow it out for now just so I can keep using the vacuum, but that's going to have to be replaced. Okay, that actually cleaned up better than I thought it would. So I got a lot of dust in here, jeez. Yeah, I'll still get a new one, but this is not bad. This is usable still. I don't think it matters which way that goes on. I don't think it's ever gotten that bad before. That was ridiculous. Well, this should certainly work a lot better now. Alright, that's better. Nice new queen bag, queen filter. That should work better now. doesn't weigh anything anymore. We'll start by sweeping up the floor over here with this. Yeah, much different sound now. This hose does not clog. It is fantastic. These little stick things clog before the hose does. I feel like the lights keep flickering or something. Yep, the lights are definitely flickering. We just lost a bulb. Alright, that's much better. The vacuum is working better now. That was awful. I can't believe I let it get that bad. I will certainly pay better attention to it. The thing doesn't weigh anything anymore. Must have cut the weight in a third or less. And this hose is fantastic. It does kind of tangle up a lot, but I think that nuisance is much less of a problem than the constant clogging is. And there's still something. There's some stuff in there still. It just hasn't gone all the way through. Yeah, it went through. And dirt has a long way to travel in this thing. Alright, that's the vacuum all cleaned up and ready to go. That was ridiculous. Definitely the worst I've ever seen it get. User error. I will pay more attention next time.